Hello, everybody on quarantine. What we're going to be doing in biology today is we're going to be talking about a project that we're starting and will be due on Tuesday. It's just a short little project. It's not a big deal. And what kids are going to be doing is they're going to be looking at the special properties of water and why water is an important biomolecule. So here we have a picture of the molecular structure of water here, H2O, two hydrogens and an oxygen. And if you click on the project down here, it will take you to this page, which has both projects in English and in Spanish. And if you open that, it looks like this. So water is liquid awesome. So you're going to be learning about how water is liquid awesome and why water is liquid awesome. And the main reason why water is liquid awesome, I was trying to move this out of the way here. Hang on. There we go. Is because it is a polar molecule. So what that means is on the oxygen side, it's slightly negative. On the hydrogen sides, it's slightly positive. So water molecules like to stick to each other, kind of like little magnets. The opposite side will attract. So this hydrogen will pull along another water molecule, and the oxygen side will want to connect with the hydrogen side with that weak little magnetic bond. And then same thing over here. So you end up with them all being kind of connected to each other. And because of that, it has a lot of special properties. So here's what you're going to be doing. Your task, you may work with one other person. If you're at home by yourself, if you can hook up with another virtual student and do it with them, that's fine. Or it's not really that big of a project. You can do it on your own and just take pictures of it and send it to me. So you're going to choose one special property of water, and those are on the next two slides. Look it up, define it. Explain it in your own words, and then you're going to create a way to demonstrate it for the class. And this is where you can do some research online and see how it's demonstrated and be creative, and then check your idea with me. And if you're having trouble coming up with an idea after you've looked for a little while, I want you to look first and think first. And if you don't come up with anything after looking and thinking, then I will see what I can do to get a suggestion for you. Then you get your materials together, demonstrate it and describe it. And if it's something that you can't demonstrate because it's like one of them is the tendency to make rainbows, that would be kind of hard to demonstrate, then you can use pictures. But you have to, only if you absolutely have to. I'd rather it be something that you're going to do that's actually hands-on. Have someone take a pic of you doing that, and then you're going to turn your pic in and your explanation to me for a grade. And here are the wonderful properties of water. It expands instead of shrinks when it freezes. Water is more dense than oil. It has capillary action. A meniscus will defy gravity. If you don't know what that means, then pick that one and look it up. It's incompressible. It has color, or does it? Look that up. Is it transparent? Cohesion is a property of water. Adhesion, specific heat, high heat of vaporization. I'm not going to tell you what these are until after everyone's, looked things up. Water is the universal solvent. Ice is less dense than water. That means it floats. Ice will float in water, and then it creates rainbows. So choose one of those. There are 14 choices here. And then check with me when you have an idea, and we'll go from there. So this is going to be due on Tuesday. So all kids are going to be doing today and all day Monday. And probably part of the day on Tuesday is finishing this up and getting ready to present it on the second half of the class period on Tuesday. So that gives you an idea of what we're up to. Don't forget, if you have any questions, to email me or just contact me, and I will help you as best I can. Thanks, and have a great weekend. Bye.